In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the colors in your Google Calendar to make your schedule more visually appealing and easier to navigate. Whether you're new to Google Calendar or looking to personalize your calendar, customizing colors can help significantly in organizing your events. So, let's dive right in. We'll start by opening Google Calendar. You can do this by heading to your favorite web browser and simply typing in the URL calendar.google.com. Once it's loaded, you'll immediately notice a panel on the left side of your screen. This section is called My Calendars, and it lists all the calendars you've created or subscribed to. These might include your personal calendar, work calendar, and even shared calendars from friends or family. Here's a neat trick to make each calendar stand out. Next to each calendar's name, there's a set of 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on these. What you'll see is a palette of colors that you can use to customize your calendars. You can select a color that resonates with you, or simply choose one that makes it easy to differentiate between your various commitments. Once you've picked a color that suits your needs, something that perhaps keeps you motivated or reflects a specific energy, click on it. After making your selection, make sure to finalize this by clicking Save. This will apply the color change to your entire calendar, instantly enhancing its appearance. Now let's bring our focus to specific events within your calendar. Maybe there's something particular that requires special attention, like a meeting, appointment, or birthday. To highlight these individual events, find the event you want to stand out. Once you've located it, right-click on the event. You'll see a menu pop up with several options, but for our purpose, you'll want to focus on selecting a color. Choose a color that makes this event pop out to you. Maybe a bright, vibrant hue that demands your attention. Choosing individual colors for events can be incredibly handy, especially if you have a packed schedule. It helps in making sure nothing slips through the cracks and allows you to prioritize at a glance. Once you've made your selections, these colorful cues will serve as visual reminders, keeping your calendar not only organized, but also aesthetically pleasing. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to manage and personalize your Google Calendar. By following these easy steps, you'll ensure that you're on top of your schedule with minimal effort. So go ahead, play around with the colors, and find what works best for you. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this helps you stay on track and organized. Until next time, keep exploring and making your digital life easier.